Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good
Ma'am,
afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am, from 12:30, ma'am, to 1:30, ma'am, there is a class going on Play Plus app. Sorry, ma'am, Class Plus app, ma'am, with Ravi Dahiya sir.
Acha. Who is this Ravi Dahiya, sir?
Ma'am, ma'am, Indian wrestler, ma'am, ma'am, who won, ma'am, silver medal.
Acha. Okay. I thought you were talking about some teacher. Wahan
No,
dimag
ma'am.
mein gaya beta. So what is this class for?
Ma'am, importance of a coach.
It is for?
Importance of a coach.
Okay.
Ma'am,
importance
the
of-
topic of the class is importance for a coach, and ma'am, it is going on Class Plus app.
Acha. So you people were attending that, or you will be attending that?
No, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I was attending for only 10 minutes. Ma'am, then your class started, that's why.
Okay. Actually,
Ma'am, today we will do geography.
nahi beta, history chapter will finish now.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, actually geography flow charts are also left.
I know, but geography history chapter has been lingering on for quite a long time.
Okay, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. And today we will do
We'll continue with history only. Right? Very less strength is there today.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Parush.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Ready with your books?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can we do
ma'am.
the flow chart of geography today, ma'am? That was left, ma'am.
Beta, let us finish the chapter history.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I want to ask you,
Yes, Vyom, ask.
what is our, ma'am, when schools are reopening is offline?
Most probably from September 6th.
Ma'am, even if the consents are low in number.
No, if there are sufficient numbers, of course, then only.
Ma'am, how many minimum limit?
How many what?
Ma'am,
minimum limit of consent forms to open the school.
Don't know, sir must be deciding because for junior classes it has been kept 10.
Ma'am, 10%.
No, 10, total 10.
Ma'am, 10 in each class.
10 in each class.
Ma'am, each class or ma'am, each section?
Huh?
Ma'am, in each class, each section.
Yes. Each section, at least 10 students.
30 from each. And ma'am, for 9 to 12?
बेटा अभी नहीं पता, नहीं कुछ भी इसका. 9 to 12 तो मैंडेटरी है, खुलेगा ही खुलेगा बेटा, है ना? चलिए, shall we start? Tell me which page we were on.
Ma'am, page 34.
Page 30.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, page number 34.
We were doing the First World War and the Russian.
Reading, I think reading part was going on, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who was reading? अन्वेषा, आप तो क्लास में ऑलरेडी हो ना बेटा? अन्वेषा वैश,
Yes, ma'am.
और कोई आपके नाम से एंट्री लेना मांग रहा है, आप ही का कोई डिवाइस है?
Ma'am, it's me from another device.
So do you want me to take you in?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है.
Ma'am, आज class 9 policy will also be like term 1.
What? Which policy?
Term of term 1 exam.
You are not very clearly audible.
Term of term wise exams.
Of
Ma'am,
what?
means we will also have term wise only.
बेटा समझ नहीं आ रहा मेरे को, आपकी आवाज बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है एक्चुअली.
Ma'am, we will the term wise syllabus will only means we will have a term 1 term 2 exams like
हाँ,
ma'am means
you will be informed बेटा, मत परेशान हो. ठीक है.
yes ma'am because ma'am lot of confusion is there that we are 9 classes following this policy or not.
No, we are following the same policy that has been issued by the CBSE board. We follow that. 9 to 12, we follow the same thing, right? It has to be followed the way they have given to us. But
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the procedure that will be decided? Fine. Can
And
we?
ma'am,
Yes.
term 1 ही तो half yearly, मैम वो माना जाएगा?
टर्म वन को हाफ ईयरली माना जाएगा, पर जो टर्म 1 है वो हमारा नवंबर दिसंबर में होगा, तो हो सकता है कि हम कुछ उसको उसमें चेंजेस करें, अलग तरीके से उसको फॉलो करें, है ना?
मैम आप उसको
मैम
पहले
तो
ले
क्या
सकती हैं,
टर्म
term
1
1
का
को.
मतलब टर्म 2 भी हो सकता है?
नहीं बेटा, टर्म 2 तो फाइनल एग्जाम्स होते हैं टर्म 2.
मैम आप term 1
तो
पहले
मैम
भी ले
हाफ
सकती हैं,
ईयरली और
मतलब जैसे
टर्म 1 अलग अलग होंगे?
हाँ जी, ये दोनों अलग अलग होंगे. टर्म 1 आपका नवंबर दिसंबर का लिए दिया गया है 10th और 12th के लिए, और टर्म 2 फॉर द मंथ ऑफ मार्च.
So ma'am
मैम हाफ ईयरली और term 1 मैम अलग अलग. मैम समझ
तो
नहीं
मैम
आ
फिर
रहा.
हाफ ईयरली
आप लोग
उसके
देखो,
अकॉर्डिंग
देखो, देखो,
सितंबर में
देखो,
होंगे?
आप लोग बिल्कुल परेशान मत हो. हमने आपको उस दिन क्या बोला कि आप इस चीज पे कुछ चर्चा ही मत करो. रीजन भी कि अभी जब तक ये क्लियर नहीं होगा कि हाफलीज होंगे नहीं होंगे, अगर होंगे भी तो किस तरीके से कराए जाएंगे, टर्म 1 का सिलेबस इंक्लूड होगा कि कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव चैप्टर्स होंगे, तो ये सब मत परेशान हो. फर्स्ट चैप्टर पढ़ लो, उसके बाद हम लेट द स्कूल्स ओपन, उसका
मैम
डिस्कस,
जब आएगा, यस मैम,
है ना?
मैम जब आएगा तो जब मैम
हाँ.
सर प्रिंसिपल सर कहेंगे जैसा होगा मैम वैसा होगा.
Yes. Can we have the
Ma'am.
cameras open? Can we have the cameras open?
ma'am if it is written that it's the objective that we will assign in that manner.
देखो, जो भी होगा नॉर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग ही होगा. डोंट वरी फॉर दैट. ओके. कैन वी हैव रुद्रांश यादव रीडिंग?
Ma'am, thanks to you, ma'am, that you teach us in 7th class.
Why?
Ma'am, because today in civics class, ma'am, it helps us a lot, ma'am.
Really?
Ma'am, because we are, yes, ma'am. Ma'am, because sir, today sir has taught us about the state government, and ma'am,
Okay.
you have also tell us about the state government in 7th class. That's why, ma'am.
So were you able to answer his questions?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's so good. Very good.
Ma'am, all thanks to you.
No, it's actually your efforts. So you remembered each and everything that was taught to you, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, good. Well done.
Ma'am, that some credit also goes to you.
Chalo. We both will take the share, right? Half you and half me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am 50-50.
50-50 will keep, right? Chalo. Right. Rudransh, are you there? Can you hear me, Rudransh Yadav?
Yes ma'am.
Beta, can we have the camera on, and can you start reading page 34, last paragraph?
Ma'am, actually, we have already read this paragraph, ma'am, whole thing.
We have not read, we have only discussed.
No, ma'am, we have also read, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए ठीक है. Then Okay, Rudransh, you read this page 35, the February Revolution in Petrograd. Explanation after he finishes the reading, I'll do. Okay? Chalo, carry on, Rudransh.
The February Revolution in Petrograd. The winter of 1917 conditions in the capital Petrograd were grim. The layout of the city seemed to emphasize the division among its people. The workers' quarters and factories were located on the right bank of the river Neva. On the left bank were the fashionable areas, the Winter Palace, official buildings, including the palace where the Duma met. In February 1917, food shortages were deeply felt in the workers' quarters. The winter was very cold. There had been exceptional frost and heavy snow. Parliamentaries wishing to preserve elected government were opposed to Tsar's desire to dissolve the Duma.
Carry on, beta.
Ma'am, the second paragraph.
Yes, second also.
Okay, ma'am. On 22 February, a lockout took place at a factory on the right bank. The next day, workers in 50 factories called a strike in sympathy. In many factories, women led the way to strikes. This came to be called the International Women's Day. Demonstrating workers crossed from the factory quarters to the center of the capital, Nevsky Prospect. At this stage, no political party was actively organizing the movement. As the fashionable quarters and official buildings were surrounded by workers, the government imposed a curfew. Demonstrators dispersed by the evening, but they came back on 24th and 25th. The government called out the cavalry and police to keep an eye on them.
Okay. See, what he has read is about the strike and about the revolution that actually started and turned into the Russian Revolution, and finally the country, the people were able to, free themselves from the monarch, right? Now what happened? See, there was a river Neva, and on the right bank of this river Neva, all the workers' quarters were there, all the factories were located, and on the left bank of the river Neva, the Winter Palace where the king lived, official buildings, and all the other buildings which were there, they were officially located over there on the left bank of river Neva. Now what happened? Because of the extreme winter, the winter conditions which were prevailing, because the winter season was going on, there were acute food shortages were there in the workers' quarters. Now because of this severe winter, snowfall was also taking place, right? Now because of this heavy snowfall that was there, the desired food production could not take place, right? Now because of this, what happened? People were they were demanding that the king should support them. But what happened? The king, he wanted to dissolve Duma, and the parliamentarians, those who were there, they wanted to be there in the government to support the people. Now one side, people were struggling for food, and on the other side there were tussles. Politically, if you talk, there were tussles, right? So on 22nd of February 1917, what happened? A lockout took place. Now this lockout was basically a strike that was initiated by the women, right? Women, they took the initiative to go for strike, and also encouraged men to be part of it. Slowly what happened? Everybody took the initiative and they shut down all the factories which were there, and they declared strike. Now why was this strike? This strike was basically to listen to the demands of the workers. Now what were the demands of the workers? They wanted that the government food availability should be made to the workers. The shortage that had taken place because of the snowfall this winter season, because of the extreme cold conditions, whatever problems the workers were facing, they wanted that the Tsar should look into those problems, right? Now on 22nd, lockout was declared. almost approximately 50 workers, they went on strike. But then this strike, the initiative was taken by the women, right? So women, they were on the leading part. Now 23rd February every year is like, after that 23rd February was declared as the International Women's Day. But because why this date differentiation is there, do we celebrate it on 23rd February, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we celebrate it on 23rd or 8th of March?
8th of March.
We celebrate it on 8th of March, but because at that time in Russia, the calendar that was followed was the Julian calendar, right? And when we take the dates from in the Julian calendar and in the there is one more calendar, Georgian calendar, right? Now these two calendars, the dates duration, the dates are different. Like on 23rd of February, if you look at the date in the Georgian calendar, you will find that 13 days are ahead of that, right? So because of this, 23rd February was declared as the International Women's Day, but actually in the present time, we celebrate it on the 8th of March, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Now, all these striking workers, those who were there, they reached the capital and they surrounded all the official buildings which were there. Government imposed curfew, and we all know when the curfew is imposed, nobody is allowed to gather outside or come out in groups from their houses. So because of the curfew that was imposed by the government, all the crowd was told to disperse. But at that particular moment, that particular day, people dispersed, but then they came back again and surrendered. They surrounded all the official quarters which were there. Now, because looking at the crowd that had gathered there, and the crowd that had surrounded those buildings, the cavalry and the police force was called to control the striking workers. Now this cavalry, what is cavalry, Parush?
Ma'am, soldiers.
Ma'am, don't know.
नहीं, soldiers तो होते हैं, पर कैसे? Cavalry is basically
Ma'am, soldiers riding on horseback.
horse. Yes, horse.
Sir,
Horse.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, particularly of Russia and Ukraine.
हाँ, वो तो बेटा horsemanship थी. Horsemanship अलग चीज थी वो. ये जो cavalry है, cavalry is basically the horse unit, जिसमें soldiers जो होते हैं, they are on the horses. ठीक है? आपने देखा होगा पुराने जमाने में, पुराने टाइम में कैवलरी अलग चलती थी, हाथी की यूनिट अलग चलती थी. देखा है नहीं? मुगल जो आपके वो होती थी, आर्मी होती
Yes,
थी,
ma'am.
है ना? तो
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसे ही रशिया में कैवलरी को बुलाया गया. कैवलरी वाज द हॉर्स यूनिट, जिसमें कि उनसे कहा गया टू हेल्प आउट टू ओवरकम द सिचुएशन, द कंडीशंस दैट वर टेकिंग प्लेस. अब जब क्या हुआ कि इतना सब कुछ हुआ, 25th को अल्टीमेटली जो है डूमा जो है उसको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया बाय द जार.
Ma'am, sir.
हाँ, तो जो स्ट्राइकिंग वर्कर्स थे, दे वर डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिंग ऑन द लेफ्ट बैंक. अब उनकी डिमांड्स क्या थी? दे वांटेड बेटर वेजेस, दे वांटेड ब्रेड, दे वांटेड रिडक्शन इन द वर्किंग आवर्स, एंड दे वांटेड दैट डेमोक्रेसी शुड बी देयर. डेमोक्रेसी का मतलब क्या है? कि भाई दे शुड हैव द पॉलिटिकल राइट्स, राइट?
Ma'am, to elect a government.
Yes. Now they wanted representatives, elected representatives, and on 26th of February, what happened? Cavalry was called to fire on the demonstrators, but the cavalry refused to fire on the demonstrators. And what happened in this, tussle which was going on, one of the officer was shot in the barracks, and the soldiers, they went on mutiny. Mutiny का मतलब क्या होता है? Revolt में चले गए, वो against चले गए government के, ठीक है, जार के against चले गए. By evening, all the workers and the soldiers, they joined, they came together, they collaborated with each other, and they formed a Soviet, or you can say they formed a council. Now this council that was formed, or the Soviet that was formed, was called as the Petrograd Soviet, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए. Chalo, can we have Vishesh Raghuvanshi reading the third paragraph, page 35?
Now I have a doubt.
Yes, Akshay.
Ma'am, why was the officer shot in the barrack?
बेटा वो क्या हुआ ना कि ये जो मतलब जो स्ट्राइकिंग वर्कर्स थे, इनको जो है तितर बितर करने के चक्कर में, इनको हटाने के चक्कर में जो है किसी से गोली चल गई और वो एक ऑफिसर जो है वो मर गया। जानबूझ के नहीं चलाया गया था, ये बाय मिस्टेक हो गया था। ठीक है,
Okay.
हाँ, चलिए चलो, कैन वी हैव सक्षम ओनली रीडिंग पेज 35 लास्ट पैराग्राफ।
Yes, ma'am. On Sunday, 25 February, the government suspended the Duma. Politicians spoke out against the measure. Demonstrators returned in force to streets of the left bank on the 26th. On the 27th, the police headquarters were ransacked. The streets thronged with people raising slogans about bread, wages, better hours, and democracy. The government tried to control the situation and call out the cavalry once again. However, the cavalry refused to fire on the demonstrators. An officer was shot at the barracks of a regiment, and 3 other regiments mutinied, voting to join the striking workers. By that evening, soldiers and striking workers had gathered to form a Soviet, a council in the same building as the Duma meet. This was the Petrograd.
Yes, carry on, Saksham.
Yes, ma'am. The very next day, a delegation went to see the Tsar. Military commanders advised him to abdicate. He followed their advice and abdicated on 2 March. Soviet leaders and Duma leaders formed a
Provincial government.
provisional government to run the country. Russia's future would be decided by a constituent assembly, electing on the basis of universal adult suffrage. Petrograd had led the February revolution that brought down the monarchy in February 1917.
Right. So this was about the abdication of the Tsar. See, as soon as all the soldiers and the striking workers, they came together, they became more powerful, and ultimately they charged on the king's palace, and finally king was told to abdicate. He was told to run away because so that people don't kill him. So he ran away, and ultimately people's rule was established, where everyone decided to have a representative government. Provisional government was made, and a constitution was to be made for the country, right?
Yes, ma'am.
On the basis of the universal adult franchise. Now, after February, now this is the February revolution. Now, after February, what happened? See,
Ma'am, in the February revolution, monarchy was brought down, ma'am.
yes, monarchy was abolished. Monarchy came to an end in Russia.
So, ma'am, what after that democracy was held, ma'am?
You can say a representative government came into power, but then अभी और भी events है, पहले उनको पढ़ते हैं, फिर हम किसी conclusion पे पहुंचते हैं, ठीक है बेटा?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, अब after February 1917, what happened? The provisional government, which was having the army officers, landowners, and the industrialists, they were very influential people, right? Now, because these were influential people, the liberals and the socialists, they worked for the elected government. Soviets were set up everywhere. Vladimir Lenin, we have read about Vladimir Lenin, that he was the Bolshevik leader, and when he returned back to Russia from exile, he wanted that the Soviets should take over the power, not the people of the provincial government should not be there. Rather, the Soviets which were formed, which were set up everywhere, they should take over the power. They should take the control of the country in their hands. Now, what he did, he had put up, 3 demands. These 3 demands that were put up by Vladimir Lenin, it was called as the April Thesis. Now, what were the demands that were part of this April Thesis? He wanted that Russia should stop participating in the First World War. He also wanted that the land should be transferred to the farmers, and all the banks that were there in Russia, they were to be nationalized. This was the demand that was put up under the April Thesis. अगर आपसे कोई पूछता है what was April Thesis, you will tell that April thesis were the 3 demands that were put up by Vladimir Lenin after coming back from exile. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And if anybody asks,
Ma'am, I
Yes,
have a
ma'am.
small doubt.
Hanji, Polo beta, what is your doubt? Please ask.
Ma'am, exile is the name of a country.
नहीं, exile का मतलब बनवास.
Okay, okay.
Ram was sent to exile, no, 14 years exile. 14 वर्षों का
Okay.
वनवास दिया गया था. ऐसे ही इनको भी, जैसे जितने भी जो रेवोल्यूशनरीज हुए थे ना बेटा, जो जिन लोगों ने अपने कंट्री को फ्री कराने के लिए या वहां से किंग का रूल खत्म करने के लिए जो भी मेजर्स अडॉप्ट करे, उन मेजर्स को जो है एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया गया. ठीक है. और कहीं ना कहीं उनको जो है कंट्री का एनिमी कह के या कंट्री के लिए हार्मफुल कह के उनको कंट्री से हटा दिया गया. कहा कि आप अभी आपको एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पीरियड के लिए आप कंट्री में वापस नहीं आ सकते हो. ऐसे ही बहुत सारे हुए हैं. गुसेप मजीनी जो इटालियन थे, इटालियन रेवोल्यूशनरी थे, उनके साथ भी एग्जैक्टली ऐसे हुआ, क्योंकि उन्होंने जो है बहुत सारी रेवोल्यूशंस को जो है सपोर्ट करा. तो अल्टीमेटली क्या हुआ, ये डिसाइड हुआ कि भाई ये जो है ही इज नॉट सुटेबल फॉर द कंट्री, ही मे प्रोवोक पीपल टू गो अगेंस्ट द किंग, और फिर ये चीज गलत है. इसलिए जो है जो गुसेप मजीनी थे, उनका जो मोटिव था इटली को यूनिफाई करना, इटली को एक सिंगल कंट्री बनाना था, क्योंकि वो फ्रेगमेंटेड था. तो वो लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया, वो बाकी रूलर्स को पसंद नहीं आया, तो उनको जो है एग्जाइल में भेज दिया गया, जो यूरोपियन वो थे आपके चांसलर थे. ठीक है. ठीक ऐसे ही जो ये थे आपके बोल्शेविक के जो लीडर थे, लेनिन जो थे, इनको भी जो है एग्जाइल में भेज दिया गया था, बिकॉज पीपल फेल्ट कि ये जो है कंट्री के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल नहीं है, बिकॉज ये रेवोल्यूशंस को जो है एनकरेज करेंगे, जो कि कहीं ना कहीं हार्मफुल रहेगा कंट्री के लिए. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So he strongly stressed that Bolshevik party should be renamed as the Communist Party. First, initially when he said this, people objected, but later on they accepted what was said by him. They felt that okay, if he is doing something for the betterment of the country, for the betterment of the people, let him go with it. Now workers movement, the strike that was initiated by the workers, it was spreading, day by day it was spreading. Then workers, they formed the committees also. These committees, they started asking industrialists the way they run their factories, कि भाई आप जो है अपनी फैक्ट्रीज को क्या टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस यूज करते हो, क्या प्रोविजंस आप लेते हो, आप किस तरीके के बेनिफिट्स देते हो अपने वर्कर्स को, आपका क्या जो भी आपका प्रॉफिट होता है उसको आप किस तरीके से जो है डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हो, कितना शेयर आप रखते हो, कितना शेयर यू स्पेंड, यू डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग द वर्कर्स दोज हु आर वर्किंग फॉर यू. तो ये सब चीजें जो है बहुत ज्यादा जो है प्रोमिनेंट हो गई थी, बहुत ज्यादा जो है सीन में आ गई थी. तो ये जो ट्रेड यूनियंस जो थी, ये बहुत ज्यादा पावरफुल होती जा रही थी, और ये ज्यादा धीरे धीरे दे वर ग्रोइंग इन नंबर्स आल्सो. सो जो प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट थी, द पावर वाज रिड्यूस्ड एंड द बोल्शेविक इन्फ्लुएंस ग्रू. जो प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट जो थी, जिसमें कि आपके आर्मी ऑफिसर्स थे, लैंड ओनर्स थे, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट थे, इनकी जो पावर है वो धीरे धीरे कम होती गई, और अल्टीमेटली जो बोल्शेविक्स थे उनका इन्फ्लुएंस जो है वो लोगों के ऊपर ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंशियल होने लगे ये लोग. ठीक है. तो जो प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट थी, उनको लगा कि भाई ये लोग अपनी पावर खो जाएंगे ऐसे, दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. सो व्हाट दे डिड, दे टुक एक्शन एंड अरेस्टेड द बोल्शेविक लीडर्स, एंड बाय जुलाई 17 बोल्शेविक्स वर सप्रेस्ड. मतलब जुलाई 17 तक इन सबको सप्रेस कर दिया गया. कहा कि भाई बहुत हो गया, ये तो गलत बात है, भाई हम लोग पावरफुल थे और हम लोग भी पावरफुल रहेंगे. इतना समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, Bolsheviks were suppressed, ma'am, or the provisional government.
yes, initially. ठीक है. अब कंट्री साइड में क्या हुआ, कंट्री साइड में जो फार्मर्स थे, विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ द सोशलिस्ट रेवोल्यूशनरीज, दे स्टार्टेड सीजिंग द लैंड. मतलब दूसरों के लैंड जो है वो कैप्चर करना, कॉन्फिस्केट करना शुरू करा उन लोगों ने, और विद इन जुलाई सितंबर 1917 ये सारा काम होने लगा. इतना क्लियर बेटा? इतना क्लियर हुआ?
Yes, ma'am.
अब क्या
Yes,
हुआ?
ma'am.
अब क्या हुआ, रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ अक्टूबर 1917 आता है. अभी हमने फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन पढ़ा था, किस तरीके से फेब्रुअरी रेवोल्यूशन में जो है जार को एब्डिकेट करना पड़ा, और सारा का सारा पावर जो था वो प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट के कंट्रोल में आ गया. फिर व्लादिमीर लेनिन वापस आए, उन्होंने अपने हाथ में पावर लिया. ट्रेड यूनियंस बढ़ते गए, उनका पावर बढ़ता गया, ये सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने पढ़ी। अब हम पढ़ेंगे रेवोल्यूशन ऑफ अक्टूबर 1917। बट बिफोर वी प्रोसीड विद द एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट, लेट अस रीड. कैन वी हैव Abhishri reading? Abhishri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read beta. Page 30, after February. पढ़ो बेटा अभिश्री.
Ma'am, may I read?
Yes.
And you said me to do that.
अच्छा विशेष. अच्छा चलो पौरुष, let विशेष read and then you read, okay? पढ़ो विशेष बेटा.
Okay, ma'am.
After February, army officials, landowners, and industrialists were influential in provincial government, but the liberals as well as the socialists among them worked towards an elected government. Restrictions on public meetings and associations were removed. Soviet-like Petrograd Soviet was set up everywhere, though no common system of election was followed. In April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to Russia from his exile. He and his Bolshevik had opposed the war since 1914. Now he felt it was the time for Soviets to take over power. He declared that the war be brought to close, land be transferred to the peasants, and the bank be nationalized. These three demands were Lenin's April. He also urged that the Bolshevik Party renamed itself the Communist Party to indicate its new radical aims. Most others in Bolshevik Party were initially surprised by April's thesis. They thought that the time was not yet ripe for socialist revolution and provincial government needed to be supported, but the development of the subsequent months changed their attitude. Ma'am, should I proceed?
चलिए नेक्स्ट पौरुष.
Okay, ma'am. Through the summer, the workers' movement spread. In industrial areas, factory committees were formed, which began questioning the way industrialists ran their factories. Trade unions grew in number. Soldiers' committees were formed in the army. In June, about 500 Soviets sent representatives to an all-Russian Congress of Soviets. As the provisional government saw its power reduce and Bolshevik influence grow, it decided to take stern measures against the spreading discontent. It restricted attempts by workers to run factories and began arresting leaders. Popular demonstrations staged by the Bolsheviks in July 1917 were sternly repressed. Many Bolshevik leaders had to go into hiding or flee. Meanwhile, in the countryside, peasants and their socialist revolutionary leaders pressed for a redistribution of land. Land committees were formed to handle this. Encouraged by the socialist revolutionaries, peasants seized land between July and September 1917.
Fine. So this was all about the conditions that prevailed in Russia after February. Can we have reading of the revolution of? अच्छा चलो थोड़ा explain कर देते हैं October Revolution, ठीक है?
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
हम October Revolution की बात करते हैं बेटा, October Revolution जो है वो काफी relevant है, because whenever we talk of Russian Revolution उसमें हम सबसे ज्यादा October Revolution की बात करते हैं. In September, what happened? Lenin began discussing with the Soviets supporters in the army and factories about the uprising against the government and brought them together. Now, all those who were against the government, they all came together, right? Now, 16th of October, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd Soviets and the Bolshevik parties to agree to a socialist seizure of power. मतलब उन्होंने कहा कि हम लोग मिलके Petrograd Soviet और Bolshevik party मिलके एक सोशलिस्ट सीजर करते हैं ऑफ पावर। अब वो सोशलिस्ट सीजर क्या था कि भाई हम लोग अपने आप को कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी डिक्लेयर कर देंगे, सोशलिस्ट पार्टी डिक्लेयर कर देंगे और हम गवर्नमेंट की सारी पावर्स को ले लेंगे। A military revolutionary committee was appointed by Soviets under Leon Trotsky to organize the seizure, but date was kept secret. अब ये हुआ कि भाई हम ऐसा कुछ करेंगे, बट ये रिवील नहीं करा गया कि हम कब करेंगे और कैसे करेंगे। ठीक है। अब 24 अक्टूबर को क्या हुआ कि जो प्रोविजनल गवर्नमेंट थी उसके जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे क्रिंस्की, he left the city to call the troops. अब अर्ली मॉर्निंग गवर्नमेंट मिलिट्री ट्रूप्स जो थे उन्होंने कैप्चर करा किसको, बोल्शेविक न्यूज़पेपर बिल्डिंग्स को करा, फिर टेलीफोन और टेलीग्राफ ऑफिसेस को जो है उनके कंट्रोल करा, विंटर पैलेस को जो है बचाने के लिए उनको बचाना चाहते थे क्योंकि भाई वो पैलेस था और किंग रहता था वहां पे, जो किंग मतलब भाई जो पावरफुल, ठीक है, रूलर। जो मिलिट्री रेवोल्यूशनरी कमेटी थी उन्होंने कहा कि भाई जितने भी गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज हैं और जो भी मिनिस्टर्स हैं उनको अरेस्ट करो और गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस को सीज करके जो है हमारे अंदर लेके आ जाओ। अब शेलिंग, विंटर पैलेस जो था उसमें शेलिंग होने लगी, बॉम्ब शेलिंग पता है ना
मैम? बॉम्बार्डिंग,
यस। तो शेलिंग होने लगी।
Okay.
और क्या हुआ, जो शिप अरोरा था उसने बहुत सारे मिलिट्री पॉइंट्स जो थे उनको सिटी में अपने अंडर ले लिया और कमिटीज जो थी उनके अंडर कंट्रोल में भेज दिया, राइट। और ये सारे इवेंट्स इतने जल्दी
Yes, ma'am.
क्विक हाँ, दैट पीपल वर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एग्जैक्टली क्या हो रहा है। ठीक है। बाय दिसंबर बहुत जबरदस्त फाइटिंग हुई इन लोगों के बीच में और जो बोल्शेविक कंट्रोल था उसका बोल्शेविक कंट्रोल जो था वो मॉस्को पेट्रोग्राड एरिया पे इस्टेब्लिश हो गया। इतना क्लियर?
मैम व्हाट इज मॉस्को पेट्रोग्राड एरिया?
बेटा ये इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज थे ना आपकी, सेंट पीटर्सबर्ग जिसका नाम था पहले।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ,
Ma'am, the Petrograd area that lies in the Moscow, ma'am, that is Moscow Petrograd area.
हाँ, ये आपका इंडस्ट्रियल एरियाज थे प्रोमिनेंट उस टाइम के। तो इनको जो है बोल्शेविक्स के कंट्रोल में के अंडर ये आ गए और इन पे जो है एक अच्छा स्ट्रॉन्ग सॉलिड कंट्रोल जो है वो एस्टैब्लिश हो गया। इसकी रीडिंग हम लोग करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में ऑन मंडे वी हैव अ क्लास, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
राइट, चलिए। तो ऑल द ब्रदर्स यू मस्ट हैव परचेज्ड, bought gifts for your sisters for tomorrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
No, ma'am.
No?
No,
You'll
ma'am.
be doing that? You'll be
Ma'am.
doing that?
Not sure.
Ma'am, my sister beats me a lot, ma'am. That's why.
Oh, don't say like this, please. You are elder brother, no? To your sister, isn't
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
हाँ तो ठीक है, she
I'm
has all
not
the
sure
rights,
if
no?
I have got gifts
हाँ.
or not.
अच्छा, very good. चलो, बहुत कम टाइम बचा है तो हम रीडिंग नहीं करेंगे। Wish you all a happy Raksha Bandhan. May you all,
Thank you,
enjoy
ma'am.
to
Thank
your
you, ma'am.
tomorrow's festival.
Happy Raksha Bandhan, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. Same to you all. Same to you all. Give good gifts to your sisters. Always be helpful to them. And this is for the sisters
ma'am.
also to be helpful to their brothers. Shreya, listening or not? Prashasti, Kinjal, Abhishri,
Yes,
Yashika.
ma'am.
Whether you are elder or younger, you should always be, in support of your brothers. Right?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Chalo, very good. Chalo, thank you, class.
Bye, ma'am.
Chalo,
Thank
bye-bye.
you,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take care, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye. Athar, you were quite late to the class.